Hello and welcome to PLANIT. This will just be a quick video demo, kind of run through of the main functionality of this app. So I'm just going to get right into it and log in as my user. And I'll just kind of show if I type in the wrong password, it'll give me the wrong credentials. Or if I type in a user that doesn't exist, that user's not found. So a little bit of safety there with your individual account. And then once I log in, we're at this home page, which will show off the groups I'm a part of, and then my username, of course, up top, which I can go in and edit by clicking on my profile picture. So if I want to change my name to Mike, I can do that here. I can also change my profile picture. I think that's the right one. Yeah. And then, so I got my new profile picture, my new username, which will both persist if I refresh. There we go. And then now we can take a look at the groups I'm a part of, and these are all sorted by kind of this nice little solar system pattern with a cool scroll feature, and they'll rotate around their own, orbit. And as you overflow, there'll be more and more solar systems will be created. But if you hover over each of these, you can see the title. So we got a volleyball league, World of Warcraft, climbing. These are all groups I'm either admin or a part of. If I click on, say, the volleyball league, that'll take us to the message board. And these are sorted, most recent to least recent, bottom to top. And up here we can see all the users that are part of this group. And if you click on one of their images, you can see their bio and their groups that they're a part of as well. Same thing if you click on their image on their actual message. So I'm going to go ahead and go to my calendar now, and you can see it takes me into the month view, and you can see all of the events that I have scheduled for this month. If I wanted to see just the group events or just the personal events, I can sort with this little button up here. Or if I wanted to see just the week, I have a more detailed view of kind of the time frame. Or if I wanted to just see a day, I could do that as well. Go back to today, which I have nothing going on today. And then the agenda view just takes a month of time and shows you everything that you have coming up, which is pretty nice. So I'm going to go back to the month, and I'll just make a new event. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and delete an event first. So let's say this basketball game is not happening. I can go ahead and delete that because I'm the admin of the basketball group. So that one's gone. And this Apex tourney, I am actually an admin on that, so I can also delete that. I will, so I'll just make a new event right now and say, let's say it's another basketball game, but I want it to be Saturday instead. So we have Saturday, and start time, not that early, say 1 p.m., and then it goes to 2 p.m., just an hour, easy peasy. And I want it to be in the group, so I select group, and you can, switch between group and personal, and you can only add events that you're an admin of to those groups. And I want to do basketball league, and let's make it a nice yellow. I like that. All right, so now we have our basketball game on Saturday. Perfect. And let's say, okay, maybe I don't want it to be yellow, or I want it to change the dates. You can go into edit. If you want to edit dates, you can do it down here. Change it to red. So yeah, we got that going on Saturday, and you can see it on the week as well. 1 to 2, basketball Saturday. Perfect. Now, if I want to, let's see. Oh yeah, so I'm going to actually log out now of this account, which I gotta get a little record button in the way. There you go. So if I log into another user, let's go Velcruza. We can see. So Velcruza is currently a part of the softball league, but not the basketball league. So if I go to groups, I can see that softball game that's coming up on Thursday. But because I'm not an admin, I do not have the ability to delete that. I got that access denied message, and softball game is still there. I also don't have the ability to edit that event. Try to change the color. Access denied again. So that one's steadfast for a user that isn't the admin of that group. Now, if I want to go, let's say I want to join that basketball league. Search that. Here's the basketball league. There's that Mike account with that message, welcome. Currently, it's just open as public. And if I want to join, it's as easy as that. I can join and say, hi, and there's my new message. So now if I go back to my calendar, I can see that basketball game on Saturday, but I see like a little bit of conflict because I have this wedding and I'm going to be gone all weekend. So I can go back and say, okay, I'm going to miss that basketball game. So go back to that message board, say, sorry, I will miss the game on Saturday. There we have it. And now Mike, that admin, can, try to get a sub or whatever he wants to do with that, however he wants to deal with that conflict. And that is, I think that covers the basis of PLANIT. Thank you for sticking around and watching. If you have any extra questions, I will leave myself and Hisham's contact info at the bottom of the README on our GitHub. So please feel free to reach out with any questions you have. Thanks again.